Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe, please. If you've been here before, thank you. For my next video, I'd like to do one for Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultras, the new flagship phone, and an option called collage. This option may be on other phones, but I just wanted to show you how powerful this option can be. So if you have a bunch of photos and you want to send a photo of multiple photos to someone, you can do it this way with a collage. And I'm going to show a side-by-side version, but let's just dig right in here. So first off, go into what picture you want, and I just took a couple boring shots here. So let's do select two different files or however many you want, and then down here at the bottom we have the create. So let's create a collage, and let's go side by side. But as you can see here, here's all the different ones you can do. This one is endless shuffle. But most of the time I like to do them if they're side by side. You can also add more presets, for want of a better word. But for now, you can just, let's go ahead and add just these two here. So we're going to go, here's the first picture, and you pinch to zoom, and you can add your second picture. And if you want to make them both the same size, you can do this. And you can replace them. So you want to go and replace those photos with something different, you can do that as well. So we don't want to do that, but you can also move these pictures from one to the next side, and they'll automatically rotate to the other side. So that's a pretty neat feature. Can delete, remove, you can edit, and again you can go in, and now we have all of our different powerful AI and all of our different features for editing here. And let's go ahead and just end that because we don't want to do that. Let's just do straighten. We'll just let this do its thing here real quick. We are, I exited out of that last one. We got it back to the, if you want to edit something, you have to go through and actually edit all and then save it. And there's some pictures on here. I don't want everybody sharing my pictures with everyone, but you'll get the idea here. This is how you do a collage. So you do the two pictures, you can do different ones, you do the pictures, then you can share it, which is a neat option to share, because we want to be able to share more than one photo with people. Instead of just one, you can share a collage of photos, or you can just hit save. It'll save it, and then it goes in the collage file, and that's how you do your collages, how you can do multiple pictures all on the same screen. So that's my video on collages. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Check the new thank you button if you're really pleased with my videos. And until next time, I'm out.